Tecno recently launched its newest smartphone, the Tecno Camon 16, and man, it looks beautiful. But in this video, we are going to focus on the premier version, which is probably the most powerful in the Tecno Camon 16 series and the Camon series, of course. Now, the Tecno Camon 16 premier smartphone was launched on 4th September of 2020, which is a day before this video is uploaded, with other two Camon 16 lineup phones, the Tecno Camon 16 and the Tecno Camon 16 Pro. And going to the specs of the smartphone, this premier version comes with a 6.9-inch touchscreen display, which makes it 0.3 inches bigger than the Camon 15 Pro, which was also launched back in February of 2020 this year. Both have 1080p resolution touchscreens and run Android 10 based on iOS skin. The Tecno Camon 16 Premier also comes with a 128GB of inbuilt storage, and of course, as usual, that can always be expanded via micro SD card. Plus, it also comes with 8 gigs of RAM, which is just enough to handle pretty much anything you throw at it, every task. And you know what's more amazing? The smartphone comes with one of the latest chipsets from MediaTek, the Helio G90, which was specifically designed to be used in gaming smartphones. And I'm telling you this chip is a gaming powerhouse in mid-range smartphones, because with the Helio G90 series, you get a super fast responsive display and reduced lag for smoother gameplay. Plus, with clock speeds of up to 2.05 GHz, trust me, you'll notice a boost in games and apps with the help of the 90Hz display. That way, every millisecond counts in the online game world, whether it's Fortnite, PUBG, Free Fire, or Call of Duty. You can now play competitively with the help of the gaming powerhouse chipset, which delivers brilliant images, great graphics quality, fluid character movement for online gaming, and uninterrupted network connections. And as far as cameras are concerned, the phone comes with a 64 megapixel primary camera, a second 8 megapixel camera, a third 2 megapixel camera sensor, and a fourth 2 megapixel camera sensor on the back. And on the front, the smartphone comes with a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 8 megapixel camera. And again, a huge shout out and thanks to the Helio G90. This chipset, ever since it was released back in 2019, it has been claimed to deliver smooth real-time image previews and great picture quality in low light with a night shot mode that uses quad pixel tech. Also, this chipset incorporates fast, precise AI facial detection and the power to accelerate AI camera applications. So expect the smartphone to have a 4 times better camera than the Camon 15 Pro. Also, the smartphone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which is enough to run all day, and you can get over 10 hours of gaming. Plus, our players have been answered. And guess what? The smartphone supports 33-watt fast charging. That way you won't have to wait forever for your smartphone to charge. And when was the last time I saw USB-C support on a Tecno premium smartphone? I think that was back in 2019 with the Tecno Phantom 9. Again, the smartphone comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. However, for the first time, the smartphone is gonna come with the free newly launched TWICE HiPods, free in the box. And going to the price of the smartphone, expect the smartphone to be around $218 in most countries in Asia. And if you're from Africa just like me, expect somehow a little extra cost due to shipping costs and the COVID-19 pandemic, Anyways, drop a like if you think this video was informative. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll be able to reply to each and every comment personally. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.